Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today is my first day on the job at the property next door that we are planning to purchase. I'm gonna go over and help do some renovations, including some popcorn ceiling scraping. So let's head next door and get busy. Okay, you're on.
Hello, hey, this is Mike Schreiner, and today we're going to do a project here at this new little house. What we're going to work on today is removing the popcorn ceiling. It's not really difficult, it's not really hard, but it is time consuming and it's really a mess. So that being said, let's go ahead, Bree, and let's get started.
This was absolutely one of the most satisfying things I have ever done in my whole life, and I am super excited that there is more space that I get to scrape. Scraping ceilings is my new favorite thing. Okay, so now that I am considering myself to be a professional ceiling scraper, I'm going to show you the process, which is super easy and really fun and satisfying. So you just spray the popcorn evenly with water. By the way, this is a really nice sprayer, Mike. It holds pressure really well. I mean, I have very expensive still sprayers that don't hold pressure this well. So I'm going to cover the whole ceiling with water, and I'll let it soak for just a few minutes, and then I will come in and start scraping it off. And I'm telling you, it's the most satisfying thing that I have ever done. This is awesome. Okay, so I'm going to try and be tricky and show you how to do this. So, as Mike described, it's all in your wrist. You don't want to gouge the ceiling. And see that? It just scrapes right off. It is so satisfying. It's so awesome. So this room is really small. It's going to be really easy to get all this scraped off right now. And it's going to look so much better and so much more modern. And just like that. This didn't take long, like maybe 6 to 8 minutes. It's really awesome. So satisfying. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I was afraid of doing popcorn ceilings until today. Now I feel like I'm addicted. So as you can see, the ceiling is scraped. Tomorrow we're gonna sand it. But the first really big change is about to happen. That cabinet is coming out. But it's one massive thing, so they're going to sawzall it in multiple pieces, so it's easier to get rid of. And then it will be a true open kitchen family room concept. After that, dining room wall will be changed, so then all 3 of these rooms will be open to each other, and it will be much more welcoming and spacious and awesome. Of the house, getting the ceiling scraped. The kitchen, last room. I'm super stoked. I have now discovered a whole new passion for scraping ceilings. I hear there's a harder part coming up tomorrow where we actually have to sand everything that I scraped. So my love affair with ceiling work may end quick, but at least I've enjoyed it today. So I'm going to time lapse and see how long it takes me to get this last room completed. All right, see everybody, I have safety glasses. They're actually really difficult though to work in. And no, this popcorn ceiling is not made out of asbestos, so relax. This house was built in the 90s. There's no asbestos here. And when you wet it down, like I was doing, it's not airborne, it's not dusty. It just scrapes right off like wet clumps. So it's actually, I'm remarkably not that dirty considering I've been scraping ceilings for the last like 6 hours. But I'm gonna call it a day. I have 2 closets that we discovered that still need to be done. I'm gonna do that in the morning. But overall, I think today was a huge success. And even more so than the ceilings is the incredible open concept that has been realized as of today with taking out that kind of bank of cabinets. And all the cabinets are getting replaced, all the tiles getting done, all new floors. Still a ton to do, but it was a super successful first day on the job for me, part day for David. We're so lucky to have Mike that we're working with, who currently owns the house, who really is just like our leader. I'm so happy to have a teacher. And I can't wait to be able to take you all along on this ride so that you can see our progress day to day, week to week. And hopefully we'll be in business sometime in early 2022. So thanks for watching, everybody.